it's me, your teacher, and we're back again. So, today we're gonna learn parameter. Sounds very different and unique, and it's really fun. I hope you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for best and the most exciting videos. So let's get started. So let's do a question with this. So now, what if we say that if we want to apply a fence all over this garden and it's one side this side is of 2 centimeter. Wait, first an important key point that if the unit like centimeter, millimeter, meter and so on, it should be same at the both place. If it's different, so first we are gonna convert it and then we are gonna solve it. Now, in parameter, we have to count all the sides. If a square has same sides, if this is 2 centimeter, the other side above this, like it's this one side, and this one is also going to be 2 centimeter. It's not gonna change its unit. It's gonna be the same, and same over here. If this is 2 centimeter, there it's also going to be 2 centimeter. Let's just write it for no more confusions. Okay, so now in parameter we have to add these 4 sides all together. Like it is 2 centimeter each side, so we are going to write 2. We can write 2 centimeter, but we are going to go with the easy trick. We're just going to write 2, like 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. While doing parameter, just take care that you don't add more than the numbers over here. Like if it's here 5, for example, like it's 5, or I add 6 about it, it's wrong. So we are just gonna add this number how much we need it. Now let's just remove this because it's looking ugly. Okay, so let's just do it. Now we are going to add it again. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So, if a square has each side of 2 centimeter, the parameter of the square is gonna be 8 centimeter. Don't forget to add the value in your answer or your answer will be wrong. Like this. If I write only 8 over here, it's wrong. So we should write only 8 centimeter. If our answer is gonna be good, it's gonna be long, like 8 centimeter, it's gonna be right. If you don't add the unit, it's not gonna be wrong because no one knows if it's centimeter, millimeter, meter or etc. Now, you don't need to multiply 2 with 4. It's the same answer, but in parameter we add, we don't multiply. In parameter, each side, like this side is A. Oops. Oops. Okay. This side is A. Like this side is like this. This is A. This is gonna be B. This is going to be C, and this one is D. So the formula, you should not revise it. You can just add those. But if you want to know it more clearly, properly, the formula of P, which we can say as parameter for a square and for every shape, it's like A plus B. You should not revise it, but it's like good to know. Plus C plus D. It's like the formula, you should not revise it, but you should know it. So, if we have each side of 2 centimeter, we're going to write 2, 2, 2, 2. In the answer, we are gonna get the same like as 8. So in this question, our answer is 8. So now let's move on to the other one. So our next question is on the screen. It's a rectangular garden and we have to do the same thing. We have to just make a fence around it and it should be of the same size. If it's bigger, it's gonna destroy our beautiful garden. So let's add them all together. So 9 plus 5 plus 9 plus 5. Okay, so we are going to use the mind and hand method. 9 in my mind, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Now we are going to add these both together and then add 14 for the other number. Again, 9 in my hand, 9 in my mind, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So it's the same. So now we're going to use the other method. Here it comes. 14 plus 14. So 4 in my mind and 4 in my hand. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's going to be 8 over here. And 1 in my mind, 1 in my hand. It's like normally, it's obvious. It's 2. So in this question, the perimeter of a garden with the width of a garden, a rectangular garden you can say, it is like in here we just added these two and these two, so the answer is gonna be the same. Like, okay, so in this question our parameter is 28. What is the unit? It's centimeter. 28 centimeter. Don't forget to write the unit. So now is our last question, and it's not a garden, it's a random shape and we have to find its again perimeter. So let's see. It has the same size. Each side has the same size. So let's write 10 plus 10 plus 10. Now let's add these both together and then these both, the answer with the other one. So 10 plus 10, 0 in my mind, 0 in my hand, it's 0, 1, 1, 2. Now it's 20. We're going to add 10 in 20. So 20 plus 10, 0 in my mind, 0 in my hand, 2 in my mind, 1 in my hand, 2, 3. So it's 30 and here it's the 30. But wait, what's that? It's not centimeter. Oh, it's a sign of millimeters. So we are gonna write M over here. Don't change the sign. The sign should always remain the same. If your sign is different, your question is wrong. So be careful. So, how was today's lesson? Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and watch more videos on Math with Bunny to be the biggest mathematician. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.